Nightlife in a portantnio. Look where them a do to man. Rich and not dark. We get to listen to Ben Jive and Pop, man. I watch a TV and the body speaking, you know. I want the people to come breathe, you know. Yeah, nightlife. Oh, tell with that.
Nightlife in portantnio.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Remember when we used to show big cat and selfie task. Now when music must stand the beat through the speakers. In big time they got cut jeans and slippers. They might want cheese and bitters. Give them the energy, them try use it. Missy said them a try hard to stop the music. Seem like they want me get the Glock with 2 clips. But mine and I gonna make me lose it. Look where them a done to man. Look where them a done to man.
Yeah, man, I want money respond at my people, and we're outside each and every night. I bring the vibe, I bring the energy, I bring the love here. Outside with it, we are share the message, we are spread the news. Oh, walk one, you don't know. We are entertaining on the same way, so you don't know. Lots of entertainment, lots of fun. This is the channel, One Money Ras. Like, share, subscribe, people. Don't stay inside. Outside with it. Now we are set up shop.
Yeah, man, set up
The music now play hour.
No, so I'm going to charge up, you know.
You don't know for dealing. You don't know for hook it up.
Charge up, man. I'll cut on.
Yeah, but it no come on. See, they no come on this up. See, come on, you know.
What?
Right, that's one. So take time out.
Telling them money, Ras. The big chop.
Yeah.
Dog the life and he
Oh, the man
tripod.
them getting it now. Hook it all one there.
Selfie get hook up, the switch up.
Yeah.
Someone a complete. Up in the light.
I'm in
rum.
the room.
It's a rum. And a rum in one him a go get.
Yo, so,
That's how we
how way they say about my boy there?
Yeah, say me we kill and me never kill
How
nobody.
way they say about my boy there?
Who that?
So, my boy would be a funny style and
Yeah.
relax, man.
Boy black.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy black right along the style. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Not there. So me, we have a female can't find him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
That you know himself too.
You know what I'm saying? When they're there. Like you all away.
You see?
That's what I'm saying. Man black.
Yeah,
Man, I understand that, sorry, man. The police now go tell us off on the road. The police I feel like they're united. Understand? They're united up right now. They're united up now. Protect. And go united to protect them. One of them are thief. And a robber too. And police are robber. Some of them good, man. Some of them good like me.
Police good.
Yeah, what I'm
Police
me alive.
I went in there.
Everything good?
At that time good.
That's all. Yeah,
You don't know that.
No, the police are good.
Good to you.
And to other people, come on.
Yes, but to everybody.
Everybody, but yo, you're not good to everybody. You're not good to everybody.
They are police.
No, but we are similar, but me and I tell you, you're not good to everybody. I was good. Yeah, man. That's how you think go. Vice versa, you know.
Last man tell a policeman that the man begs you, see man like the man want ball.
I ball him for ball, because I know say boy, they're not good for you. Yo, Kerry Johnson and come on and, yo, you must say you know, we run the road in a star and you don't know say boy, what Kerry Johnson and soon come. Yeah, and I run the road, Johnson and come. Bunny go his foot with the dog.
Yeah, another.
You know say what we think because we think we can bra. And Bunny with them bra.
So here what?
Yeah, man.
I call two of the dogs them and make them come and see what they want. You see?
We have Magnum, we have beer,
You have everything.
we have gun,
Yeah, man, you have everything. So here what? We soon come back. Man, I
money we are there.
one block after
Yeah, go right there. I'm not saying I'm a gangster. Everything up.
Tax, but I'm gonna tell you somebody I bring the man them come on the place, man. Tell you somebody I bring the dog them come on the spot, man.
Oh, no, go
Yeah, man. Give me a dragon.
Yeah, man. Two dragon, man.
Yeah, man. I don't know. A dragon. See me, tell you somebody that yo. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you somebody that gonna make the man them come on the place and
Yeah, man.
Man, when the bomb clad, you have to grill. Give me a Guinness set to brother. What do you What do you mean? Half the grill, my brother. So we have buy half the thing in here.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we're there, man.
I say something more strength.
I don't know, so we don't lose the night just to the money.
Yo, so that's how much me done? How much that now?
How much?
Yeah.
You know, say, boy, I
4 beer.
15.
Just go on with this. We soon get some more.
Alright, nothing enough.
What we do, people. Yeah, man, I love how now watch you all go on. Just continue. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend of man. Comment. One money scene. Outside with it. We know that inside, we're outside.